From the regular category, 19,958 have appeared for this examination and 19,288 passed this examination, and the pass percentage is 96.64%. So there is an increase of 3.9%, almost close to 4%. This is the gender-wise result. Boys 10,071 appeared, passed 9,706, no reserve category, and pass percentage is 96.37. And as usual, the girls have they have performed well than the boys. Out of 9,887 girls, 9,582 passed this examination. One girl's reserve is kept in the reserve category. The result is kept in reserve category, and the pass percentage is 96.92%. Overall percentage is 96.64. These are the 4 special schools. Sanjay Center for Special Education, Porvorim. They have sponsored 31 candidates, 31 passed, and the result is 100%. St. James Academy, Old Goa, have sponsored 14 candidates, all 14 passed, result 100%. Lok Vishwas Pratishtan's Virani Isani High School for Hearing Impaired Children, Dhavri Fonda, sponsored 6 candidates, all 6 of them passed, result 100%. And Lok Vishwas Pratishtan's IJ Virani and NI Virani schools and home for visually impaired children, Dhavri Fonda, in this category they have sponsored 2 candidates, 2 passed, result 100%. The sport management marks will be reflected on their mark sheet, and the number of candidates who have passed the exam only because of sport merit marks is 197. So 197 they have passed because of sports merit marks, or maybe dual benefit of condemnation. So overall percentage of the candidate passing this examination due to sport merit marks is 1.02%. You can see in the government schools, out of 78, 63% schools they have scored all 100% marks. So 49 schools they have scored 100% marks. Aided schools, out of those 314, 41% schools have secured all their 100% result. Then unaided schools, there are 10 unaided schools, and all 10 unaided schools result is 100%. All 10 have got their result as 100%. And you can see out of 402 schools, 187, that is 47% of total schools have got 100% result. Verified, in case somebody wants to apply for a photocopy, verified photocopy of the answer books, they can do so by 25th May 2023, this is the last date. Re-evaluation they can apply till 29/5/2023. Verification of marks in absentia is, last date is 29 May 2023. This is mid of June, maybe we'll start from 20th of June 2023. From the coming academic year 23-24, looking at the fast track, we are going to drop this pre-vocational subject. This one will be merged with the NSPF. So they will have to take up the 7 subjects. So in that case, all candidates will have to take maths, science, social science, and if they want pre-vocational scheme, they can avail this pre-vocational scheme as a 7th subject. So they will have to undergo all these 6 subjects plus this one.